Okay, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Tuesday verb. So change. Change from one thing to another. Change. To adjust something from one way to another. From one to another. Change. Change. Yeah. I need to change my hat. She will change the song. He wants to change the drink, change the book. Yeah, change the book. How cool is that? I will change the channel on the TV. He changes his mind all the time. You change your choices all the time. Yeah, don't change your mind every time, every chance you get. Yeah, don't change. Keep it still. Yeah. So this means that I change. I change. You change. They change. Yeah. So I will change the lesson. I will change my clothes. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Oh, that's terrible. Let's change that. Let's change the words. Let's change that. Okay, right, all right. Let's delete that. All right. So I will change the settings. You change your mind. They change the clothes. They change the clocks. They change the clocks from one clock to another clock when it's too old. So he changes. He changes. She changes. Very good. It changes. It changes. So he changes his mind. Changes his mind often. She changes. She changes the menu in the restaurant. Makes sense. And it changes from one colour to another. Changes from one colour to another all the time. It changes colours all the time. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know why. It just changes from one to another. Okay? I thought they changed it last time. See, I thought they would have changed it by now. Yeah, the past talking about the present. I thought that they would have changed it by now, but they haven't. It's still there. Yeah. We are changing the rules. Present tense, ongoing. I'm changing the rules. Why are they changing the rules again? Again and again and again and again. Why? I'll change it. I'll change it. If they won't do it, then I'll change it. I think it will be time to change the clothes. They need cleaning. Yeah, change the clothes. Yeah. I always drink from this cup. I don't want to change it. I don't want to change. I always drink from this cup. I don't want to change it and drink from this cup. No. I want to drink from this cup. Don't change my cup. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. So change. Change, to adjust something from one to another. The plant changes. The plant always changes. The plant always changes. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? So, change. Now, can you use change in a sentence? Write the sentence in the comments below. In the comments below. And like the video and subscribe to the channel. Yeah. More videos to come, more lessons to come. Yeah. How cool is that? And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.